Page. How many police came here this morning?
5 policemen and one with a big old rifle.
What did they say?
They said we cannot come and swim here.
What time of the morning is it that now?
Early morning, before
Like
9. Yeah.
Before 9, yes.
So
See?
the people them go to work from 9 a.m. So
Yes.
nobody can come and swim before work.
Which is so ridiculous, yes.
So is Jamaica for Jamaicans or is Jamaica for the Canadians and the Americans and the Europeans? Who is Jamaica for?
Mighty God. This is so sad. Yeah, this is why we say access, free access to our beaches. Yes,
To all beaches.
to all
for
beaches, everybody. Yes, so you don't know specific time to come and use your beaches. Yes, they are sacred. They are for the people. Different uses, different meditation, different vibration. Some early in the morning, some late in the evening, some at midnight. Yes, this is the tradition. This is what my people used to do. We got to come down and we have to honor the water
How
of
can you have
water
a
and
group of
spirit.
people stolen
Yes.
from Africa, forced to this land,
See,
and then you form a language, you form a culture, you form a people, and then you take the land away from the people. That's not even our original land.
Unacceptable.
And we made a land here.
totally
We made a
unacceptable.
land here. We made a culture
Unacceptable.
here, and you want to take it away from us again. You take Africa away from
It's
us.
crazy.
You take our original last
Yeah.
names away from us.
Jabem, you
And
hear
you
the
wanna
call.
take away
Jabem,
everything.
keep doing what you got to do, Jabem, yes. See you tonight. Jacksale, yes. Screaming, beach in bondage, yes. We all got to be there. I wish you all could come also to share your experience. It would be so great for you to be there in Jacksale tonight to share your horror experience this morning at the Blue Lagoon. Yeah, it would be so amazing.
We are on an island.
Jabem,
We are on an island.
you hear the cry.
Surrounded from water.
Yeah.
But you can't go into the water because police come with big rifle and tell you you're not supposed to swim until a lifeguard is watching you. Me, I'm my own man. My own master. Nobody is above me. And them tell me can't go swim.